what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student. She's about to take her driving test in about an hour from now. So we're practicing. We've been practicing for like an hour and a half, and we're going to continue practicing for at least half an hour more. She's going to do the test at a Broward County location. As usual, I cannot say what location it is, but if you know the areas, you can tell just from the scenery. Alright, madam, so they're going to ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left away from the curve, pull up the handbrake.
Put the car in park?
Put the car in park, turn off the
ignition. Okay. Alright, go ahead, do your turn signal. Signal left. Signal right. Signal right, yeah. Blow the horn. And press and release the brake. Alright, so they're going to be doing that to make sure that the brake lights are working, the horn's working, the turn signal lights are working. They will not take you out in the car if those things are not working. And by the way, the examiners are in the car. I have to say this because people are watching some of the older videos and they're thinking that they're calling you on the phone still. They did that initially because of COVID, but now they're actually back in the car with you. Alright, so they're going to ask you to reverse from here and go to the left. So put the car in reverse. And we're going to roll back and turn the wheel all the way right so you can go left. Back up when your mirror gets to the end of the line. Like about here, you're going to stop, turn the wheel all the way right. All the way until it stops. And then look behind you and reverse. Now this is exactly what you need to do to pass the test, right? So keep going back. Look back a little bit more. Alright, stop there. Put the car in drive. Turn all the way left. You're going to the stop sign and then make a left turn. Alright, straighten up in your right lane, just like that. Yeah, you're making a left turn at the stop sign, so signal left. A little bit more. Stop completely here. Count 1, 2, 3. Look both ways. Make sure it's clear, and then go ahead and make a left turn. Alright, we're gonna go all the way down to the stop sign and make a left turn. So press the gas gently. So you're doing this driving test is like between 5 and 10 miles per hour. Alright, so you're going to signal to the left, making a left. They'll tell you that you're making a left. You make sure you put on your signal. Because if you don't signal, you're going to lose points. You lose 4 points for each time that you don't signal. So you count 1, 2, 3, make sure it's clear, both sides, and then go ahead and make your left. Turn. Alright, now we're going to go down, all the way down to the end of this parking lot area, and we're making a left turn. Alright, go down, make a right turn at past this tree. Make sure you remember you have to go up until the mirror is past the curb before you turn. Don't be this close to it, go a little bit. And then turn all the way right. See the raccoon there again? All the way right. No, raccoons. This parking lot have a lot of raccoons. So you straighten up the wheel here. Make sure you don't go in the parking lot, right? Straighten the wheel. And stop. Then they're going to tell you to speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So again, speed up. And stop. Alright, then put the car in reverse. Roll back. Go behind and roll. And you just keep the wheel straight just like that and roll straight back. And then stop about here. Put the car in drive. We're going to go down, make a left turn at the end here and go park and 3-point turn and all that. So make sure you signal left just like that. So you're gonna stay close to the right side here. Just make sure you don't hit the curb, but close. You go down and you line up your mirror with the line like that. Signal left. Turn all the way left until the wheel stops. Alright. You go in, and when you get to the middle, you straighten the wheel, straighten the wheel, straighten the wheel, and pull straight in. And stop. Alright, reverse. Keep the wheel straight as you back out. When your mirror is past the poles, then you're turning all the way to the right. Like here, turn the wheel all the way right. All the way, just turn all the way right. No, not right, right. All the way until it stops. And then look behind. And when your mirror is past the middle, you stop, put the car back in drive. Turn all the way left again. Alright, you're gonna pull up next to the right side. So straighten up on the right side. Straighten up on the right, yes. Alright, you're gonna stop about here and do your 3-point turn. So signal left, all the way left. Alright, roll forward. Stop about here, put the car in reverse, all the way right. Look over your left shoulder and reverse. And again, when your mirror is past the middle here,
Yes.
that's when you're going to stop, like right there. Put it back in, drive again, signal left, and turn all the way left, just like that. Go to the stop sign, making a left turn. Here, take a left. Alright, so make sure you stop completely here. 1, 2, 3. Alright, go ahead. And go all the way down. Signal left right here and turn left. Good. So you make a left and then make an immediate left. Go in the right lane. Cool. Stay close to the right side. And then we're gonna pull up here. Line up your mirror. Don't go too close to the right. And line up your mirror at one of these lines. Go up to the next one. Alright, like that one. Turn all the way left. Alright, right. Straighten the wheel and pull straight in. And stop. Put it in park. Good job.
Thank you.
So how you think you did overall?
I did okay.
You did okay? I think you did good actually. That was your best run for the morning. Yeah, she did great. Yeah, she's gonna take her test this morning. I'll let you guys know in the description how she did, but I'm pretty sure she'll pass. And I'll put what percentage she passed with. Alright, so just go ahead and like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell. And I want you to tell the people to subscribe, please.
Please subscribe to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. It's the best in South Florida. ACC Driving School.
Sweet. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.